Hi again. So another unboxing. This one is the 2018 Designer Mystery Block of the Month, Block 5, called Ring Toss. I really like the colors of this block. And here's the fabric. It always starts with this focal point. So let me get it out of the package so you don't have the glare. And let's take a quick look at the block. So this is the fabric. I'm liking these colors and the focal, but again, I'll probably use this and make it for the whole year, but I might make it again with a different fabric selection also. But it's called Ring Toss, designed by Barb and Mary of Me and My Sister Designs. I absolutely love Me and My Sister Designs, and that's why I'm pretty sure I love this one. So it's 4 fabrics, and it's pretty easy. You know, I really have a easy time making these. So I am really behind, so I will be making these. At least I'm cutting them out. So cut them all out, and then I will have them ready to sew. Okay, thanks. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.